Time for dinner, everyone. Check out these squash that Lisa gave me. Got a little bit of cooking oil in the bottom of this pan. Ask me what I'm going to make? Don't know. I do this a lot. I'm going to chop up these squash real quick. See, I'm interested in seeing if you can see these squash that have two different colors. It's going to be interesting to see what colors, if they're the same color on the inside as they are on the outside. I am going to guess that they are. Let's see, that's pretty cool. I might even save some. Well, I did say real fast, didn't I? There goes one down the side. That's the reason I don't do the fast ones, because it'll slide right off of you. Now, if it was on the kitchen table, it'd be a different story. I'd do it. Because now I got to climb or dig down the side of the stove and refrigerator. To get that piece that flipped over. Man, I love squash. When I was living down in Tucson, I had a pretty good sized garden, and that should be enough squash for tonight. We had some tomatoes. I had a pretty good sized garden. And I would work 2 to 11, probably not get off work until around it was pretty late. I'd get off work probably, I'd get home, let's put it this way, I'd get home around 1 or 2, because I live pretty far out. Man, these, I love these knives. Yeah, if you can ever get Zildjians with the 2 little men on there, well worth it. I've had these for 5 years, never had them sharpened or anything. And they slice right through everything. These tomatoes are actually pretty old. That's why I'm having to saw them. But as you can see, the knife has no problem sawing them through. Usually the tomatoes at this stage, if you use a duller knife or a different type of knife, are liable to just flatten out like you hit them with a hammer or squish them. But I love these knives, like I say. And they are super, super sharp. I remember the first day I had them. I was washing this one and I cut my finger down here on the corner. What am I going to make? I don't know yet. But what we do know is it's going to go on rice. I'm going to save these for another day. Get them out of your sight so you don't try to reach through the camera and taking them. I only put about a tablespoon, if that, of vegetable oil. And the only thing about these knives is I really love them, but they're good cutlery. I would not put them in the dishwasher. Rubber sheet, let me see. We'll use a spoon for these. Take a tunnel. Everybody can tell when I'm watching YouTube videos. A while ago I was looking at, someone was advertising an apartment. And it says one person already lives there. And you can hear it through the walls of these apartments. And I said, well, she better be hot. And all of a sudden I hear, who has to be hot? So, yeah, it's, these apartments are quite thin. Now I could make this in a wok. And one thing I noticed I don't have, again, and I just went to the store the other day, is onions. I'm out of onions. Again. That's not unusual for me. Do with what you got. Now you're going to sit there and say, what's he going to do with this? It's probably not going to be good. Yes, it will. I guarantee it will. You know, this I could add some capers. But I don't have any of those. since I don't have any onions, I'm going to add some granulated onion. Give it some flavor. What I'm doing is I'm trying these spices out that they were shipped to me. And this is granulated garlic. You may want to add some more, maybe just a little bit of oil. Just to make them kind of glisten a little bit. And I think what I'll add as well is some coarse kosher salt. And some coarse brown black pepper. Supposedly your body cannot digest black pepper. You know that? Only red pepper. Or maybe your body has problems digesting it. Let's do some ancho chili pepper. We won't get too hot, just a little bitty bit. And some chipotle smoked jalapenos. So you could eat this right now. I'm just waiting for the squash to get a little more tender and the tomatoes break down just a little bit more. That smells great. And it won't be too hot. That's just going to be the perfect size for me, because like I say, I'm just going to put these on top of my brown rice. As a matter of fact, I think I will scoop out my rice. You guys keep an eye on this while I scoop out my brown rice. Now I have my brown rice ready. And if you wanted to, you could put some tomato sauce in that, or whatever you want to. Oops. Ouch! That was a little bit hot. Now, adding some lemon. And to kill the heat.